First up, lower end cases. Let's take a look at the old and the new Kiwi cases and make some comparisons on what's been upgraded from back in the day. Alright, let's take a look at some Indian V-twin connecting rods. Here we have a set of stock Indian rods, and here we have a set of Kiwi forged rods. Made from materials of the day.
We'll start with identification of all. You've got your rods, you've got your races that has to be pressed into them, and we'll get to that later. The main thing is our flywheels. See, the needles are barely moving. We're about half thousandths on the right, and that's how we align the wheels.
Okay, right side case or pinion case assembly. The case is heated up in the oven first to expand the aluminum for ease of pressing in our parts. The case is then secured to the jig plate and ready for the pushrod guides. In the pushrod guide shown here, you can see the oil groove, which needs to be aligned in the case to allow the oil to gravitate back down the channel. Okay, part 3 of the cam chest assembly starts with getting the cam followers into position. Note the fork unit to the rear and the male unit to the front for the rear cam followers. Line the timing marks up, fit the cam cover plate with the gasket and secure. Pinion drive gear assembly starts with fitting the alignment key into the pinion shaft, ensuring the key is level and seated properly. Note that when you remove the pinion gear from the pinion shaft, one should use an appropriate pinion extractor tool, which is designed to push off the lower step of the shaft and not off the end tip, which runs on an oil seal fitted to the cam cover. Then lock down and torque all your case bolts, and if all checks out good, you have the lower end completed.